Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be explaining why Bitcoin is about to see a trend reversal right now here on the exact time of recording. As well, I'm going to go over the divergence that we're currently seeing here, and I will be talking about the daily candles where we are even seeing more bearish divergence playing out here on the MACD and the RSI here. As well, I'm going to go over the daily candles where we are right now running in towards the 0.5 here of this Fibonacci setup from the swing high towards the swing low here on this current trend here. And as well, I am going to talk about a very significant drop here in the Bitcoin longs here. We just dropped about 20.5% here in the past 19 days here. Do these whales know more than we know, since they have been, of course, going out of their long positions, adding more standing pressure towards the market, and we will be analyzing what happened before once people were exiting their long positions here. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. Let's go for 450 likes on this video. If we can be reaching that, that will be truly amazing here, since it's only taking a few seconds of your time. You will be, of course, meaning the world to me here. So with this out of the way, let's go right away into the video, and let's start off with discussing the Bitcoin 4-hourly candles here. So guys, let me go right away over this. So we all know the price action has been increasing very significantly for Bitcoin, and right now we are running up higher and higher, and a lot of people are getting pretty greedy. And to be right away honest and to be right away clarifying everything up here, I am a big bull on Bitcoin, and I do expect Bitcoin to set still a new all-time high in this year, but I am as well a trader that is willing to catch every single move Bitcoin is about to make here. So right now, I'm seeing some bearish signals unfolding, and I want to be talking about it with you guys, since you are the guys, the community is the one I care about, and I will be always share my honest opinion about the market, even though I know that people usually don't like, well, I am bearish, of course, on Bitcoin. So right now we're seeing a lower high getting formed here on the MACD, where the price action is still forming a higher high. This is resulting in, of course, a bearish divergence, and usually once we're seeing this is indicating a trend reversal. So we could be maybe start to see a minor downtrend getting Bitcoin back towards the 40k before once again moving up towards higher levels once again here. Since I do expect we are just going to create another higher low, but I do expect in the current run-up that we're right now in to see a minor cool-off period getting started here. So yeah, looking forward towards it, and I definitely want to pay attention towards this as well. We're seeing on the money flow index, we're seeing a lower high getting created here, price action still forming higher highs, resulting once again as well in a bearish divergence on the money flow, giving us a signal that the money flow could be, of course, dropping off even more significantly. So yeah, what the MACD is basically telling us, of course, as well, the bearish crossover that we're seeing here, but basically we're seeing the buying strength is cooling off, but yet prices are increasing, will be meaning that the buyers are, of course, getting exhausted, and that we could be seeing a minor run up for, a minor cool-off period for Bitcoin getting started here. So let me right away move further on and to discuss the daily candles here, since, of course, as well, the daily candles has been as well, of course, developed another day here, and right now we even increased further, and this is even resulting in a bigger bearish divergence for Bitcoin right now. So once again, forming a lower high here on the RSI, higher high in the price action, resulting in a bearish divergence, could be signifying that we're about to see a trend reversal as well on the MACD. I mean, I like to see once the MACD and RSI are giving me the same signal, since that will be only making my opinion and my strategy even stronger, since I am currently in a short position, and I will be trying to catch this move towards the downside back towards the 42k approximately, and that will be, of course, a minor trade here of an approximately 7 to 8% here. What could be, of course, an 80% trade here. What will be truly amazing if I could be, of course, feel that catch that whole move over there. So I'm looking forward towards that. But once again, I want to be clarifying one thing up here, guys. It could be maybe the beginning of this bull market all over again, since, of course, in the beginning of the previous bull market, the bull market where we're still in here, we were seeing a lot of bearish signals unfolding here on the price action. And me as a technical analyst, I will be always, if I'm seeing a lot of bearish signals, I want to be, of course, bearish. I want to be bearish if I'm seeing bearish indicators. And right now, I'm seeing a lot of bearish indicators, but in the past we had the same, but we still increased in valuation. And if we're going to get the same here, I will shift over my strategy. But for now on, I will be trying to catch this move here, since, of course, it's is as well on the 4-hourly and the daily candles that is currently giving me a bearish signal. So that is the reason why I will be still in this trade, and I have a very tight stop loss here on the top side. And if I'm going to reach the stop loss here, I will be going out of my trade here, and otherwise I will be, of course, still enjoying the gains here. So I will be remaining a little bit more calm over here right now. So yeah, let me move right away further in towards this video. So let me as well discuss the Bitcoin daily candles and set up this Fibonacci over here. So you can see over here, Bitcoin swing high towards swing low. Beautiful Fibonacci, what you could be setting up here. And you're seeing some beautiful levels that could be providing us massive resistance and support in the future for the Bitcoin price action. So you can already see, if we're looking back towards the past, you can see 0.382 golden pocket resistance in this case got rejected, moved down towards the 0.236 perfect entry price, and after that we started to move up towards the upside. So that was a beautiful touch that we got, and since getting that touch, of course, we moved up very significantly, and we even broke through the golden pocket. And of course, we as well accumulated the 37.1k as a long opportunity as well here on this channel, but unfortunately I already closed it on the 41k. But even though I was very happy with my 100% gains approximately, since I was using a 10x here. And for all the people that are right now wondering how could I be making the same gains that you guys are doing so right now, you could be right now sign up here with Bybit in the link in the description, and if you're going to do so, you will be getting a $1,680 deposit bonus. So make sure to go into the link in the description, sign up already, since this short trade that we are about to trade going to take here is a trade that probably no one is expecting right now here, since a lot of people are getting caught up in the FOMO, and they're only thinking the prices will be running up here. But yeah, for sure, I do expect Bitcoin is going to move up here, but from right now, we got rejected on the 0.5 here, and the 0.5, of course, very significant level of previous of resistance in the Fibonacci. We got rejected by it. I personally do expect a cool off back towards the golden pocket entry here, the 0.382 here. After that, we are going to start moving up once again here in a very healthy trend here. But right now, I just will be trying to catch this move towards the downside before we're really going to blast off back towards the 51k here for Bitcoin. So make sure that you are prepared for it as well here. But let me right now discuss the very important chart here of the Bitcoin longs. So right now we are seeing that more than 500 million US dollars is exiting the market in Bitcoin longs here. So you can see in the past 19 days here, and approximately 11,182 Bitcoins, of course, were going out of their long position. So a lot of longs were going out of the market, and these 11,000 Bitcoins equal 514 million US dollars in long positions. So that is quite a lot here. And what do we know? Are there some whales right now out in the market that are closing their longs since they know more than we know? Maybe, we don't know. But what we can be knowing here is, if we're going to look back to the past, how the market reacted towards the moves that we were creating here in the past. So let me look at it right now. Of course, the longs are going massively towards the downside, so it means people are taking profits, what is of course a very beautiful thing, a good thing in one case, and the other case it's a good thing for one, since the people that are right now taking profits, they have to be buying back if they want to be, of course, accumulate more Bitcoin. So that's a positive thing here. But the other thing is that it could be, of course, add a lot of selling pressure towards the market, and maybe these people are going out of their long position since they don't want to be getting liquidated, since we're already sitting at the top. So that is, of course, pretty dangerous. So let me move on towards the previous price action. So let me go further back in towards this. And here we were seeing, of course, on the 26th of April, we were seeing as well a massive decrease of 27% in long positions. So on the 27th of April till the 11th of May, a lot of people were going out of the long positions, and we all know what happened by then here, since the 27th of April was, of course, the top side over here. So here the people were going out of their long positions on the 27th of April, and they started to accumulate the long positions once again here around the 19th or 18th of May here. So they were knowing something that we were not knowing, of course, since the people were going out of their long positions right here, of course. The price also decreased after that. So yeah, that is pretty interesting what we were seeing over there as well. what we were seeing over here on this 26th of February. We were seeing a massive decreasement here. 26th of February was also pretty interesting, since the 26th of February was, of course, at the lower side over here. So this was not necessarily an extreme bearish call here, but you can see a lot of people were going out of the long positions over there, and we still decreased ever so slightly, but after that we moved it up once again here. So it is basically 50-50. If we're looking to the past there, sometimes we're seeing extreme bullish things here playing out, sometimes we're seeing extreme bearish things playing out here. So over here, 1st of June, we were 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of June, we were seeing as well pretty significant decreasements in the long positions. And you can clearly see after that, after we were seeing that, we were as well moving towards the downside. So these whales maybe know more than we know right now here, but if we're looking to the shorts, we are not seeing a massive increasement. Yes, we are seeing some more shorts getting activated, but we are not seeing these huge spikes like we did in the past, of course. So there are not a lot of shorts active right now here. What usually is providing us a good opportunity to short the market, since if not a lot of people are doing something, it's more likely to happen, since yeah, if everyone's going to do the same here, you're probably going to get wrecked here. So yeah, we do want to be paying the attention towards these longs going out of the market here. Are these wolves taking profits right now? Are these whales maybe knowing more than we know right now? Are the people getting back into the fear? So this is, of course, pretty interesting. It could be literally resulting in every single outcome that you can possibly think of course. But if we're looking to the past here, usually it's 50-50. Sometimes we, of course, after that increase very quickly in valuation, and sometimes we decrease very quickly in valuation. So yeah, pretty interesting what we're about to see over here. So yeah, make sure that you are paying attention as well towards it. As well, make sure to hit that follow button here on my Twitter page here at Rover CRC. But guys, this was already it for today's video here. Hopefully you like this video today, and hopefully you're going to smash up the like button as well right now on this video here, since it will be meaning the world to me here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section on which video, on which coin we have to be making a video about, since I will be trying to make another update video later on today. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.